Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 4K AI images using Google Play. First thing we are going to do is to get our prompt. So let's head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt of a man standing in a stadium. An image prompt of a man standing in a stadium. So let's send this to ChatGPT. While our prompt is being generated, let's head over to Google Play AI. Okay, our prompt has been generated, so let's copy this. Let's head over to Google Play AI. Make sure you're sign in, or if you don't have an account, make sure to sign up with your Google account. Now click on new project. You don't want to create a video, you want to create an image, so click on image. Then select your aspect ratio. You can say 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, and 9:16. So I'm going with 16:9 for the tutorial purpose, and this is the number of outputs. So for this tutorial purpose, we are going to be using X4. Okay, so let's listen our prompts and click send. Within few seconds, our image will be generated. Now you can see this is the image. You can see how clear and fantastic the image is. It looks so real. You can even use this to create adverts for projects and other companies. Okay, let's download one, and I think I should turn this image into a video. I'll show you how to turn this image into a video too using Google Play AI. Okay, I'm going with this one. I think I like this one because of the smoke effect. Okay, so now let me tell ChatGPT to give me a video prompt for the image. Now to generate, okay, let's copy our video prompt. Now to generate video using Google Play, simply come back to this banana 2, select video, click on frame. This is if you want the caption to display on the video, but I don't want the caption to be displayed on the video, so I'll just click on frame. Then my aspect ratio is 16:9, and for my output I'll be going with 1 because they have just 50 credits to make use of. So generating each video takes 10 credits, and we are going to be using View 3.1 Lite because it's the cheapest. Omni Flash, it takes 12 credits. View 3.1 Quality takes 100 credits, and we don't go up with that. So let's go with View 3.1 Lite. Let's upload our image, and then let's add our video prompt. Then click send, and our video will be generated in a short period of time. And our video has been generated. Now let's check it out.